This here is the Umidigi A3. Is it a good phone to get? Find out.
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
So this is going to be my full review for the Umidigi A3. It's a lot of good. It's a good amount of bad. Got it at the price of 75 bucks on Amazon. So we got a 720p screen. Really good quality in the screen here. Watching videos is no problem. Looking at pictures is no problem. It's running a MediaTek processor that's clocked at 1.5 gigahertz quad core. You're going to be running Android 8.1 Oreo, 2 gigs of RAM, 60 gigs of internal storage, 12 megapixel camera on the rear, 5 megapixel camera as well for depth and LED flash along with a fingerprint scanner. Front camera is, I believe, 5 megapixels or 8 megapixels. It's one of the two. You get your power button on the right side here. You get your volume up and down keys. Get your micro USB charging on the bottom, headphone jack, and you also get your speaker. One thing to keep in mind is that the device is under 100 bucks. It's not really good when it comes to taking pictures. It can produce a good photo, but you will see some, weird, type of blur in the background. Like you can be taking a steady photo and it will still somehow produce a blurry photo. If you want to take a portrait shot of someone, it's not going to be good. You can adjust the blur in the background and everything, but it's just not good. One thing to keep in mind is that the device is under 100 bucks. The video is pretty decent. It's passable with the phone, so you can, vlog with it from time to time. This depends on, what you need to use it for. So when you want to look at the overall beauty of the phone, it does look good, and this has been confirmed. This is glass on the back of the device. Glass on the back of your phone for less than 100 bucks. You can't find that. I connected this phone to Google Fi, and so I was able to use it to make phone calls and whatnot, and it was actually no issues at all. One thing to keep in mind is that the device is under 100 bucks. One of the negative things about it is that it's a little laggy, and I wish the software on the phone was paid a little bit more attention to. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's Oreo, so I think if it wasn't Oreo, it would be a little bit worse. But you get face unlock, which is a positive. You get your overview home and back keys, so basically you can just use gestures on the phone, which is a positive there. One of the things I can't stress about enough on this phone here is that it's not going to be the most friendly user experience because this is a little laggy. And if you have a problem with that, this is not the device for you. Obviously, you can use this phone every day in case you need to. This is for someone who's, into phone technology or into smartphones to the point where they have more than one. Battery life is not good either. With the phone having a quad-core processor, you would think that it won't be eating up the battery as much, but it does have a 720p screen. It does have quick charge as well. A quick charge adapter isn't in the box, so you'll just have to use like something else from another phone maybe. Battery life isn't the best in this phone. Using it all day, you can probably get to about, you can use it all day, of course. It won't die on you, but it's not gonna give you that battery security that a lot of us are looking for these days. Phone calls are excellent in this phone. It actually has the best radio of any phone that I have currently because it was able to have full coverage, full bars at the majority of places that I went to and visited. So that was a positive there. Audio playback is good with the headphone jack. Speaker playback from the phone, it's decent. It gets loud. You don't really hear too much bass. I'm running Pixel Launcher on this device here. The stock launcher that it comes with isn't the best, a little laggy. This does help improve things here, but it's not like night and day. It's pretty much like middle of the night and day. I'll say the best thing about this phone is its design. It's kind of messed up because a lot of phones that come out these days, they have premium materials that they're built with, and they have glass on the back. They have like a little shiny coat in the plastic on the back, so they look pretty premium. You don't want how your phone looks to be the best part about your phone. You want to either be balanced, over excel in both departments, or have the software better than the looks. Because I'd rather have a phone that performs really well and isn't as premium looking as this phone versus a phone that looks as premium as this one and doesn't perform well. One thing to keep in mind is that the device is under 100 bucks. It's pretty much my take here on the Umidigi A3. So if you guys have anything in particular you want to see with the Umidigi A3 in a future video, let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to like the video if you haven't liked it already. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And if you decide to subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that anytime a video is posted in the future, you can be notified of it immediately. But until then, my name is Max the Rock. I want to say thank you for watching this video, and you have a good day. Deuces.
Yeah, nurse strap.